What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center. Non's Appliance style, we're making a smash burger. Guys, we're doing this right on induction, right on our grill pan. We got the 36-inch range. Let's make it happen, crew. 1 pound of ground beef goes right in the bowl, okay? We're gonna add 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, all right? Next, we're gonna add a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, all right? Just to give it a little color, a little flavor in there, okay? Nice tablespoon of Montreal seasoning as well. Boom, boom, boom. Put that in. I add a little bit of mustard, so it's a little teaspoon of mustard. Add a little bit of liquid to this guy, you know what I mean? Not too much. You want it to bind a little bit better. Then, a little bit of roasted garlic Italian like dressing. So, a tablespoon of that goes right in. We're gonna crack 1 egg. Right in, okay? Mix this guy up, get handsy with it, okay? Key is not to over mix it. Just make sure it's very well incorporated, guys. You don't wanna work this too much. The meat becomes kind of dry. If you ever make a dry burger, you know, that's kind of what you wanna do. You could do this really light the night before and have it chilled and ready to go. If I'm doing this for a big party crew, I'll make these smash burger patties ahead of time, little balls, weigh them all out. I got our induction pan on. So I hit the left bridge, scrolling it up to about a 6 and a 7, get it nice and heated all the way through. One of the benefits of having this bridge method in the induction, works out perfectly. We'll give it a little bit of spray, okay? Gotta flavor it up a little bit with butter, okay? We'll just put this guy right down, very nice and easy, okay? Got that really good. And you wanna make a decent size ball, just like this, okay? For your smash burger. If you're doing minis, guys, cut this in half. You could weigh these out and, or even use a big spoon measure. There's a lot of different methods to that, okay? But the best way here for the smash is really to have the ball here, but you know, we want to let it cook a little bit and then get that really nice press, okay? If it's the weekend, you're having fun, you can always have a drink with this. I know I am. So, my cup kind of works great for that. It's cold, it's chilled, and you know, you're always having fun with it. So, we'll just smash it down just like this. Look at that. Super easy. Give it a crunch. Ooh, that works nicely, huh? All right, crew, smash them down very nicely. You know, this is the process. We really want to get that good, crisp char and that nice, crispy outer layer, okay? So let's crank up the heat a little bit on here. So we're at about a 6.5 to 7, and we're gonna wait about 2.5 minutes to get those flipped. In the meantime, let's put our beef off to the side. We have our brioche buns right here. So we're actually gonna put these on the grill, get a nice little, you know, toast on these buns very nicely. And look, see, you can see the white edge on here. That's really, we know we're getting a good sear and a good crisp on this burger, okay? Look at that, nice flip. Just like that. We'll move this guy to the side. Look how good. Okay, little butter for our second bun. It's already shaping up to be a meal, folks. Very nice. And the cool part about the smash burger, it cooks very quickly. You don't really have to wait a long time. 2 slices of friendly cheese go down. Okay. And induction just makes it so much cleaner, so much easier. We're gonna lower this guy. Let's check these toasted buns out. Perfection. Perfection. We're gonna melt this cheese. We're gonna go ketchup and mayo, traditional style. Okay. A little bit of mixed greens go on the bottom, right here. All right. Love it. Now, crew, I got some tomato concasse petals. Very good tomato on there, okay? Couple pickles on the top. That's how I build it. All right, just like this. And then you can't go wrong with candied bacon, guys. Another recipe that I've done in the past, candied bacon, so look that one up too. For this, we'll put 2 big slices on there. Crew, quick and easy smash burger with a couple of my extra tips, the candied bacon, the tomato concassade on the brioche bun. Look at this guy. So good. All right, enjoy this recipe. I'm not sharing this with anybody. These 2 burgers are mine. So sorry to everybody that's watching. Excellent. That's all I gotta say. One word, excellent. Make this on your induction, use your grill pan. Thank you.